Imagine yourself in this Ram 2019 3500 Bighorn. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include engine, 6.7L i6 Cummins turbo diesel included, selective catalytic reduction, ERA, dual 730 amp maintenance-free batteries, Cummins turbo diesel badge, heavy-duty engine cooling, supplemental heater, Ram active air, gross vehicle weight 12,300 pounds, current generation engine controller, diesel exhaust brake, cabless fuel fill with O discriminator, Bighorn level 1 equipment group included, Google Android Auto Radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display, integrated center stack radio, rear view auto dim mirror, power adjustable pedals. For more info call 800-643-2112. Leather wrapped steering wheel, rear dome with on-off switch lamp, front fog lamps, glove box lamp, footwell courtesy lamp, 8.4 inches touchscreen display, foam bottle insert.